Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this body in Berry Avenue. So if you want to customize your avatar with the perfect body shape in Berry Avenue, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can get the best body proportions, adjust your avatar's height, and create a stylish looks that stand out. So what you need to do is just go to the avatar menu, and then in here you can just click on the menu at the top, this three lines menu, and choose body. Select the second ones in here and then just search for blush. Okay, hit on enter and then select the first ones right here. Okay, now what you need to do is just select the body, legs, and arms. Okay, now you can just close this and then search for headless. Now enter and then choose the first one again and then just select the head. Close this and you are done. Click on done, and this is the body, how your body looks like now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.